What's up, YouTube? Back with a little update on the Savage project here. I've got it running a little better. What was happening was one of these lines was in the wrong place. Let's see if I can show it to you. It runs up here to the petcock. You can't see it, but there's a line that runs from the petcock over here and actually comes into the carb right here. And this was connected wrong, which I went by the way it was when I got it, so I just hooked it back up the same way, and then after some research discovered that it was hooked up incorrectly. So I did that, and then this vacuum line here was not connected to anything. So I just plugged it up just to check and see if the bike would run better, and it does. But I need to get this where it actually belongs, which I believe is under the tank. So that's my next goal. Other than that, I cleaned it up real good. You can see how shiny everything is. Yeah. And I'm going to clean this motor up some. I'm thinking about painting this black, but not sure on that just yet. But it is running better. Is the point of this video. But now I believe the issue is I'm having trouble getting the carb all the way up in here. See, it's not anywhere near it, and I can't get it to meet. So I'm going to disconnect it here, push it in further here, and try to get the air box to meet up with it, because I'm sure air's leaking in there, and that's what's causing running problems. The other problem is going to be this pop. So that's kind of where we're at right now. We're just waiting on to get this replaced, and when I have time, I'm going to try to figure out where that other vacuum line goes, and then I think we'll be pretty close to running decent. But we're never going to get there with that pipe on with stock jetting. So, and I've been getting some more tools to make our life easier. I got this set of impact sockets here. Pretty nice set. Got that off Amazon. Not a bad price. It was like 30 some bucks for this whole set. Goes all the way up to a 24. And they seem pretty good quality. And got this as an add-on item for a couple bucks. And since my driver is a quarter, and it was much easier to find half-inch sockets there, I just bought the adapter. But yeah, it's really nice. Even the case, it's not one of those cheap ones that it actually has a hinge on the case, so it's not just going to break in half. So that's pretty cool. Now we can actually take my Harbor Freight impact driver and put it to the test. I've just been using it as a screwdriver here lately, but I'm sure we'll need it on this bike, and not to mention it'll make my life easier on these two bikes when I'm doing maintenance. So yep, I should have some more videos coming on this bike as well, maybe the Vader soon. Right now we're just focusing on this, and this will be our focus all winter. So yeah, right now, just to let you know, I've got the decals coming in, the Indian. I've got, funny story, I thought I had the Indian head coming. I accidentally ordered just a bulb for one of those and paid almost 20 bucks for it. It was pretty deceptive advertising, I want to be honest, and I'm probably going to put a link up to what I bought so you don't make the same mistake. Because you think for 20 bucks you're getting the whole thing, and it's kind of worded strangely to where if you don't read closely, you won't realize what you're getting. So, and I don't appreciate that kind of thing. So a little added footage here, something I needed to do. I'm going to go ahead and take this front brake off because it's seized up. It doesn't operate at all. So let's go ahead and take that off. these off. I'm going to run these bolts right back in there so we don't lose them. Oh yeah. We got that off. So there we go. And we gotta, oh, hit my head. Get this thing rebuilt. Alrighty. So yeah, this thing is pretty janky. Already cleaned it off some and it's still absolutely disgusting. Got fluid all over it. Which I should probably be wearing gloves, but I've lived this long. Yeah, it's just real gross. And I like to clean up parts before I start working on them. Just makes life easier, I think. There we go. Not too bad. But that will be our next project, is actually getting into this thing and redoing everything. Sorry, this. Yeah, next thing will be just rebuilding this. So that'll be in the next video. So just stay tuned, you guys. Thanks.